Hello and welcome. It's Sue Kennedy here from the Author Academy. So, if you're a coach or entrepreneur thinking about writing a book, or maybe you've already deep in a draft, I just want to come in here and save you from one of the biggest mistakes I see all the time. It's not about grammar, it's not about self-doubt. What it is this. One of the biggest mistakes I see is trying to include everything you know. All your frameworks, every story, every win, every lesson, every breakthrough. And I get it, I really do. You've spent years building this expertise and you're passionate and want to help. Completely understand. But here's the truth, trying to squish everything into one book is the fastest way to overwhelm your reader and burn yourself out. A book is not a brain dump, or not the final book anyway. It's not your life's work in print. It's a focused transformation for your reader. Instead of writing a 500-page encyclopedia, ask yourself this. What is the one transformation I want my reader to walk away with? That's the heartbeat of your book, that true essence of what your book is about. And everything else either supports that transformation or it doesn't belong in this book. You can always write another one later, but this is about clarity and impact. I recently worked with a business coach who started with 12 chapters. Then we were at 22. Then she was up to 38. She was trying to solve every problem her clients ever had. But once we clarified her core message, helping women transition from burnout to balance, we cut it down to 7 powerful chapters. And suddenly the book flowed. Her message landed. And readers knew exactly how it could help them. When you focus your book, it becomes a magnet. It speaks directly to the person who needs it most. And best of all, you stop second guessing yourself and actually finish the thing. So don't be afraid to simplify, to zoom in, to write the right book, not the everything book. If this resonates and you're feeling a bit tangled up in too many ideas, comment the word focus below. I'll send you a simple framework that'll help you refine your book's core message in under 10 minutes. Let's make sure your book is powerful, clear, and ready to lead your reader to transformation. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Sending lots of love. Bye for now.